So let us say, I'm simply taking this function as say u, and I'm taking this function as v. Let u is equal to x sin inverse x. Okay, and let v is equal to root 1 minus x square. Therefore, y becomes what? Sum of the two functions, u plus v. Therefore, what is dy dx? Dy dx is ddx of u plus v, which is du dx plus dv dx. Right or not?
Yes.
We now proceed to find du dx. U is equal to what? X sin inverse x. Okay. If I use, this is a product of two functions. So if I use chain rules here, this is going to become very long. So I use directly. Therefore, what is du dx? ddx of x sin inverse x. It is x ddx. See, I'm not making any chain here. Okay, I've simply taken the two functions as u and v. I'm not making any chain here. Plus sin inverse x ddx of x. So this becomes, what is ddx of sin inverse x? Root 1 minus x square. And ddx of x is 1. So this becomes sin inverse x. So du dx, I got this. Now let me see how we get dv dx. V is equal to root 1 minus x square. Therefore, dv dx is ddx root 1 minus x square. Okay, what is root 1 differentiation of root 1 minus x square? We first differentiate the root 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into the ddx of 1 minus x square,
Sir,
which
it
is
will be
1,
minus 2x.
yes, 1 minus x square, and ddx of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. So this
Sir,
cancels.
2 will cancel.
Minus x by
Then minus
1 minus.
x.
Okay, so what do you have? You have dy dx is equal to, therefore dy dx is equal to du dx plus dv dx, isn't it? From this,
Yes, sir.
what is du dx? Du dx we have found what? This. So x by root 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x. And what is dv dx? Minus x by root 1 minus x square. So these two cancel. You simply get sin inverse x, which is the required proof. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let us do the next one. Let us do, I think 19 is easy. Next one is easy for you. Okay, so I'll do this next one. Y is equal to y is equal to 5x by 1 minus x to the power of 2 by 3 plus cos square 2x plus 1. You need to show that, prove that dy dx is equal to 5 by 3 into 1 minus x to the power of minus 5 by 3 into 3 minus x minus 2 sine 4x plus 2. Okay, let's see. Take this function as u is equal to u plus v, say, where u is equal to 5x by 1 minus x whole to the power of 2/3, and v is equal to cos square 2x plus 1. Okay, so we first find, therefore, what is dy dx? Dy dx is u plus v, that means du dx plus dv dx. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Now we proceed to find du dx. So we have u is equal to 5x by 1 minus x to the power of 2/3. Now see again, if you use another variable, there will be many variables. So I prefer to differentiate directly. Okay, that means what is du dx
Okay, sir.
is equal to 5 ddx of x by 1 minus x to the power of 2/3. Yes, right or wrong? I've taken the 5 outside. 5 is a
Yes, sir.
constant.
Right.
Now I'll just use u by v rule. V ddx of u minus u ddx of v. Okay, divided by v square, isn't it? 1 minus x to the power of 2/3 whole square, right?
Yes.
5. Where is Govinda gone?
Yes, I am here.
Minus x. Now how to differentiate this? 2/3 1 minus x to the power of 2/3 minus 1 into the ddx of 1 minus x. Okay, divided by 1 minus x whole to the power of 4 by 3. The next step is 5 1 minus x to the power of 2/3 minus x 2x by 3 into 1 minus x to the power of minus 1/3. ddx 1 minus x is minus 1 whole divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4 by 3. So this becomes 5 1 minus x to the power of 2/3 plus 2x by 3 times 1 minus x to the power of 1/3. I can write this way or not?
Yes.
Govinda, can I write this way?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll take the LCM.
Hello.
Let me write here. The space is quite. So 5 times.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Take
Okay,
the
sir.
LCM on top. 3 times 1 minus x to the power of 1/3. So this becomes simply 1 minus x. Agreed or not? Tell me. If not, then I will show you the step. 3 times 1 minus x.
Sir, can you show the steps?
Okay. LCM is 3 1 minus x to the power of 1/3. So this becomes 1 minus x to the power of 2/3. This 3 will be there into 1 minus x to the power of 1/3. You understood this
Yes,
step?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see the powers will add to give you a power 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. So plus 2x. This whole divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4 by 3. So this simply becomes what? 5 times 3 into 1 minus x to the power 1 plus 2x whole divided by 3 into 1 minus x to the power of 1/3 into 1 minus x to the power of 4/3. Okay. So this becomes 5 times 3 minus 3x plus 2x. And here in the denominator, what happens? The powers get added, right? To get
Yes,
3
sir.
into 1 minus x to the power of 5 by 3.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes what? 5 times 3 minus x divided by 3 1 minus x to the power of, well, yes, let me do this step, then I will write. Okay, so this becomes 5 into 3 minus x, 5 by 3, 3 minus x into 1 minus x to the power of minus 5 by 3. Right, this is what I have got du dx. Okay, you understood this step,
Yes, sir.
Govinda?
Yes, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We will now find v. V is equal to cos square 2x plus 1. So we have v is equal to cos square 2x plus 1. This is easy to differentiate. So we get dv dx is equal to d dx cos square 2x plus 1, which is equal to twice cos. First we differentiate cos, in fact the power, then we differentiate the cos, right? dx of cos 2x plus 1. And then what? Then we differentiate cos. ddf of cos is minus sine. So minus sine 2x plus 1 into the ddx of 2x plus 1. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Um, see, so next step would be 2 cos 2x plus 1. Let's give a minus sign here. Sine 2x plus 1, and ddx of 2x plus 1 is simply 2, right? So into 2. So this becomes minus 4 sine, or let me not multiply 2 now. Let me multiply a little later. This 2 will definitely be there. Okay. So we write this into 2. Now what is this? Multiple angle formula, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Govinda, multiple angle formula? So this is minus sine twice 2x plus 1 into 2, which is minus 2 sine 4x plus 2. What do you have to prove? Yes, come. See, what is dv dx? What is dv dx? See, du dx is what? This, and dv dx is this. Therefore, what is dy dx? Dy dx is equal to du dx. Govinda, can you see and listen to me? 5 by 3. I think Govinda
Sir,
is not.
Govinda is not there.
That's fine. 5 by 3, 3 minus x, 1 minus x to the power of minus 5 by 3 minus dv dx is what? Minus 2 sine 4x plus 2. This is what we had to prove, isn't it? See what we had to prove.
Yes, sir.
And we have got this.
Yes, sir.
So that is what. Okay. I think I should stop here. Okay. I will only one problem from ISC left here. Should I finish this? Let me finish this. Only one problem left.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let me finish this. The other 4 problems that are there you can do on your own. They are easy ones.
Okay, sir.
So here we have y is equal to minus cot square x by 2 minus 2 log sin x by 2. Okay, so prove that. dy dx is equal to cot cube x by 2. It's cot cube. So let's see, let us take this as u. Okay, and let us take this as v, where what is u? U is minus cot square x by 2 and v is minus log sin x by 2. So let us first differentiate u. Therefore, what is dy dx? Dy dx is du dx plus dv dx. Therefore, dy dx is equal to du dx plus dv dx. So let us proceed to find du dx first. Therefore, you have u is equal to minus cot square x by 2. That means du dx is du dx of minus cot square x by 2, which is minus, you take out of the differentiation, minus d dx of cot square x by 2. Now you differentiate. First you differentiate the power, so you get twice cot x by 2 into the d dx of cot x by 2. Next you differentiate cot. What is the differentiation of cot? Minus cos x square. And then you differentiate what is within the cot, which is x by 2. Yes? So this is minus 2 cot x by 2. This minus minus combined to become plus
Yes, sir.
cos x square x by 2 into half. dx of x by 2 is half. This
Ah,
2, this 2 cancels. Okay. So you're left with what? Cot x by 2 into cos x square x by 2.
2.
Okay, so this is what we have got du dx. Let us now proceed to find dv dx. We start with v. V is equal to minus log sin x by 2. dv dx is equal to minus d dx log sin x by 2. How do we differentiate this? First we differentiate the log to get minus, we differentiate the log to get 1 by x, which is x here is sin x by 2 into the d dx of sin
Sin
x by 2
x by 2.
minus 1 by sin x by 2,
Sin x by
and
2.
d dx of sin x by 2 is cos x by 2 into d dx of x by 2.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir, can you hear me?
yes, I
Hello.
can hear you. I can hear you.
Hello.
minus
Yes.
cos x by 2 by
Okay, sir.
2 sin x by 2, which is minus half cot x by 2, right? Isn't it? So therefore, what is dy dx? Therefore, dy dx is du dx plus dv dx. dv dx. And what is du dx we have found? This one. Cot x by 2 cos x square x by 2. And what is your dv dx? dv dx is this. Minus half cot x by 2. And what you have to prove? See, cot cube x by 2 you have to prove. So we change everything to cot. You already have a cot here, cot x by 2. And you know cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So you can write cosec square x by 2 as 1 plus cot square x by 2. You can write or not?
Yes, sir.
Minus half cot
Yes.
x by 2. Okay. Now the question is, have I missed out a 2 somewhere? Have I missed out a 2 here? Just check. Here have I missed out a 2? Let me just see the differentiation. Dx of cot square x by 2 minus 2 cot x by 2 dx cot x by 2. Cosec square x by 2 x by 2. Yes, this cancels. This is okay. Cot x by 2 cosec square x by 2. And here dx log sin x by 2. 1 by sin x by 2 dx sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 into, yes, this is okay. This is okay, no problem. Now what happens? This is cot multiply throughout plus cot cube x by 2 minus half cot x by 2. I copied the question correctly. Yes, question I have copied correctly. Question is copied correctly. Minus twice log. Oh, yes. My question has not been copied correctly. This is v is equal to if I have taken this as u, this as v, then v must be minus twice log sin x by. So the problem is with v. So this is minus twice log sin x by 2. And I take minus 2 out. So minus 2 if I take out, this becomes minus 2 here. There is a minus 2 here. Okay, so this I differentiate and then proceed. Minus 2 is here. Minus 2 is also here. Okay, and minus 2 is also here. And so this 2 and this 2 cancels. So you simply get what, Govinda? What do you get? Half won't be here. Understood?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes,
This won't be here. You only get x by 2. So let me just erase here also. This half will also not be here. Okay. So now this is cot x by 2 plus cot cube x by 2 minus this half won't be here. Okay. So this is done now. Then this will cancel these two. So you get dy dx is equal to cot cube x by 2. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Only what that 2, that was the mistake there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.